everybody. I'm super excited. And what makes me excited? Nothing but Isimi Lagos. You have been hearing a lot about Isimi Lagos. This is a palatial entrance which leads to hectares. I'm telling you, hectares of land. We have the Tech Valley, we have the Origin, we have the Lakeside, we have so many portions for you right here in Isimi Lagos. Why Isimi Lagos? Isimi Lagos is the future of the discerning investor right here in Epe. Epe is the suburb of Lagos, the suburb of Lekki. This is where you can have all the greenery and freshness that nature has to offer. That is why our Isimi Lagos project is one of a kind in this part of the world. Here we have different facilities. Grey Home is for those that want to retire here and have quality living standards. We also have the Tech Valley for the investment, savvy IT people that want to have a serene and productive work environment. We have the waterfront, we have the Origin, we have different sections here for you at Isimi Lagos. I will advise you, we have different sections that you can key in at instrumental prices. Call upon your lady realtor, Lambert Realty, while the price is still right. We can do a payment plan for you, and in a very few years, you'll be living in this fantastic enclave. Everything wellness, everything nature, everything luxury living is what we have on offer at Isimi Lagos here at Epe. I would like to be in a transaction with you, and I know you also like to key into Isimi Lagos. So you can call me up on the numbers showing on your screen: 0805 614 7404. Take care and God bless. Please don't spend so long on this because our prime plots are fast being sold out. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.